Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to remove someone from your best friend list. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat. After opening the Snapchat, first of all, I will tell you how you can check your best friend list. For this, you have to click on the profile Bitmoji, and after that you have to click on my friends, and on the top of my friend list you will see your best friends here. Now if you want to remove any one of your friends from your best friend list, you have to simply press and hold that friend, and after that you have to click on manage friendship, and here you can simply click on remove friend. And if you unadd that friend, then in this way you can remove that friend from your best friend list. And after you check that friend has been removed from your best friend list, you can simply re-add that friend. This is the first method. The second method is as you have to simply again press and hold that friend, and you have to again click on manage friendship, and after that if you click on block, which means if you block your friend on Snapchat, then Snapchat will automatically remove that friend from your best friend list. In this way, you can remove anyone from your best friend list. And if you want to try for another method, which is as you have to simply go for the chats, and in chats you can simply click on the chat, and after that you can click on the name of that friend, and after that you can simply click on, for example, if I look for my friend, and here you can see if I click on three dots, and I can find the same setting which I described earlier, and you can use the same method which I have mentioned earlier. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.